Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring you fragrances that are usually on the radar, not many people mention them. They are quite good value for money, they smell good, and I think at least you should try them for yourselves, do your research and see if they're any good to you. Today I have an unboxing of a brand called Alhambra, and this brand, I have this I made a video about this one before, which was Alhambra Avant, which is a Creed Aventis clone or alternative. Is under £20, which was very good. I was very impressed with it. A few days ago I saw this one came up and I had to get it because the name of it is so revealing. It says the official Club Intense. So this is by Alhambra and it's called the official Club Intense Eau de Perfume 100 ml, and I thought I had to get it again under £20. Alhambra is another Middle Eastern brand, which is another branch of Latafa House. So Latafa has got few branches. One of them is Alhambra, one of them is Al Za'faran, and there are a couple of other ones which I haven't tried yet. But so far, everything I tried from the House of Latafa or the branches are very good, especially for the money. They are usually under £20. Some of them are over £20, but those are exception to the rules. So this one is under £20, and let's unbox it and see how it goes. Sorry for the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. So this one came just out just a few weeks ago, so it's very new in 2021. As you can see, the box is simple, but it does the job perfectly. It's nothing fancy, but as always, it protects the bottle, and this is the main job of boxes. Okay, so let's see the. Wow, look at that! The bottle is very cute. So the bottle is black plus the silver trimming. Very cute. Attention to details is very good. I really like it. It's a very heavy bottle. The cap is very heavy and metal, and it's got like an embossed some sort of metal on there. And let's go with the Atomizer. The Atomizer is very good. Fantastic. Okay, so far so good. The presentation is good, the bottle is very good, the spray is fantastic, and I can smell it already. It's filling the room. It's very strong, and obviously it gives me Creed Aventis feel. Yeah, this is another Creed Aventis copy, as the name suggests. It's very suggestive of Arm Club Intense. And this one is very good. Wow, fantastic. It smells very nice. It doesn't have any harshness to it, and it's very potent. It's very strong. So right now is straight Creed Aventis, and they are getting very close. I remember a few years ago they were like 80, 85, 90%. Now they're getting very close, and this one is like 95% plus in terms of closeness to the Creed Aventis itself. Wow, fantastic. So it's a balanced one, at least in the first impression, and right now it's very balanced. The fruitiness and the smokiness is balanced. None of them are overpowering. Overall is very like Creed Aventis, which is very good. I love Creed Aventis, as you know, and I have so many copies of Creed Aventis, and so far all of them been good, but some of them are a little bit better than others. And this one is in the category of better ones. Okay, so this is the first impression. I will let you know the development, how it goes, the longevity, and all good things. Compare Alhambra Avant. I will make that video as well to see are they very similar to each other. This one is 100 ml under £20 as well, and this one is very good. This one goes around 8 to 10 hours of longevity with 2 hours of very, very heavy projection. So I'm expecting this one, the official Club de Nuit, the official Club Intense, the official Club Intense, to be at least similar to the Avant one. Wow, fantastic, very beautiful, very summery, very refreshing, fruity, birchy, and all those good things. Okay, all right guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have a question, put it down there. If you know any of these, let other people know your experience. That would be useful. And if you find this video useful, entertaining, or informative, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you later guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye bye.